5 quick and easy tricks to pamper your air purifier. You take care of yourself and your family, and that's great. But every now and then, your home gadgets need a little spa day too. To keep your air purifier kicking and lasting long, give it some TLC once in a while. But no sweat, it's a piece of cake and you've got this at home. Before diving in, take a peek at the user manual. Some purifiers are a bit demanding, but some love tips for your air purifier are universal. Got 5 hot takes on how to clean and maintain your machine without breaking a sweat. Grab your fave snack, cause here we go. Tip number 1. Shell shine up. Dust loves your purifier's outer shell. Just gently wipe it down with a soft cloth, dry or damp. For the vents, give them a gentle vacuum. Soft dusting attachment is key. No scratches, please. Resist the urge to play handyman and dismantle it. I know it's tempting to see its inner beauty, but trust me. Tip number 2. Sensor Spruce-Up. Sensors also collect dust. Too much and they might throw a fit or quit altogether. Give it a clean every 2 to 3 months. Using a cotton swab, damp cloth, or again, that soft vacuum attachment. Tip number 3. Pre-filter Pampering. This one's a magnet for big particles like hair, pet fur, and dust. To keep it in top shape, clean it every 2 to 4 weeks. You can vacuum it or wash it if the manufacturer gives the green light. Some even survive the washing machine, but heads up, not all filters like the water. Check the manual unless you fancy a broken filter. Tip number 4. HEPA Filter Hug. The HEPA filter is your MVP, catching allergens, pollen, and even those sneaky viruses. Every month, give it a gentle vacuum or wipe down with a damp cloth. But be careful, the greater the power of the vacuum cleaner, the more it sucks in dirt. You don't want to damage this delicate soul, and only give it a bath if the manufacturer says you should. Usually you will swap it out every 6 to 12 months. Tip number 5. Activated carbon filter care. This filter absorbs stinky smells and nasty gases. For cleaning, just gently vacuum. No baths for this one. You will change it every 6 to 12 months. If you are a cooking enthusiast or indulge in indoor smoking, you might need to swap it out more often. The silver lining? Most purifiers will nudge you when it's time to replace. So, less stuff for your brain to remember. There you have it. Pampering your air purifier is quite easy.
Yes, my master.
All you need is a vacuum, soft cloth, and a sprinkle of enthusiasm. You will have to replace the filters sometimes, but they are easy to find both offline and online. Got an air purifier at home? How is it treating you? Happy with it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've got some pro tips, don't be shy, spill the beans. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and have a good one.